thinking about throwing in the towel?
How long has he been learning the guitar?
I don't know, but I think it's time he threw in the towel.
I can't believe how tired I am. I'm moments away from throwing in the towel.
No, don't give up now. Let's just keep pushing through the next mile, okay?
There's no way I'm passing this subject. I might as well throw in the towel.
No way. Why don't you take a break and then we'll tackle it together?
That's it. I'm throwing in the towel.
As for your English learning, remember, even when things get tough, don't throw in the towel. You're doing great. Keep going with English Express Fun Learning.